And I think it is merited that many of the issues that he's adverting to has historical issues in the last 5 and 7 years. But I'm wondering if he would be misleading the House. Because if I remember, he served as the governor of the central bank within these years that he's talking about. In other words, he was part of policy making that he's talking about. Would he come clear to us and the country to exculpate himself from blame that he is not part of those that made that policy that he's talking about? Thank you.
Minister?
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Are you part of the problem?
I'm not part of the problem. I'm well trained. I was part of the solution for many years. Yes. And I left the central bank in March 3rd, 2015. This is close now to 10 years. So, and I did